Question number 15. A patient having a blood transfusion requires 600 milliliters of blood to be transfused over 2 hours. The administration set delivers 15 drops per milliliters. How many drops per minute are required? So looking at the question, we have 15 drops is equivalent, gives you 1 milliliters. So if you want to give a blood transfusion of 600 milliliters, 1 times 600, it gives you 600 milliliters. So whatever you times on the right hand side, you times the same on the left hand side. So you times 600, 1 times 600, it gives you 600 milliliters. So you do 15 times 600, and that will give you 9,000 drops. So 6,000 milliliters, 600 milliliters is 9,000 drops. But we want the drops per minute. So you want it to be in 2 hours. So 2 hours is the same as 2 times 60 minutes. So 9,000 drops, 9,000 divided by 2 times 60. It gives you 75 drops per minute. Question number 16. A patient having a blood transfusion requires 300 milliliters of blood to be transfused over 1 hour. The administration set delivers 15 drops per milliliters. How many drops per minute are required? 1 milliliter is 15 drops. So 300 milliliters, if you do 1 times 300, on the right side, you will do 15 times 300. So 15 times 300 gives you 4,500 drops. Now, to get drops per minute, you will change the hour to minutes by multiplying by 60. So it's 4,500 divided by 60 minutes. That gives you 75 drops per minute. Question 17. A patient having an intravenous infusion requires 600 milliliters of normal saline to be infused over 2 hours. The administration set delivers 20 drops per milliliters. How many drops per minute are required? So we have 1 milliliters equals to 20 drops. So 1 times 600 will give you 600 milliliters. So 20 drops times 600 will give you 12,000 drops. Now to get the drops per minute, we divide by 2 times 60. Change the hours to minutes. So we multiply 2 times 60 to get minutes. So 12,000 divided by 2 times 60, that gives you 100 drops per minute. Question 18. A patient having an intravenous infusion requires 1,000 milliliters of normal saline to be infused over 10 hours. How many milliliters per hour are required? Milliliters per hour. So milliliters at the top and then hour at the bottom. So there's 1,000 milliliters for 10 hours. 1,000 divided by 10, cross out the 0, you get 1,000 milliliters divided by 10 hours. So cross out the 0, it gives you 100 milliliters per hour. So that should be 100, not 10. 100 milliliters per hour.